everyone, Chef Marisa Catanzaro here today. Today I'm going to be preparing for you Brodo di Pollo, which is chicken stock. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need. Chicken, celery, water, leeks, garlic, salt, pepper, bay leaves, onions, parsley, sage, and thyme, and carrots. I'm going to put the chicken in this big pot, and I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. The stock is done. As you can see, everything is cooked, disintegrated, perfect. This is the third strainage, as you can see, and the stock is beautiful. Our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.